Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to talk a little bit about this latest tractor that I just picked up. This is a 1991 Cub Cadet 1862. These came with a Kohler Magnum 18. This one here has a 46-inch deck. I think they made these for 3 years, 90 through 92. So this one here is just smack dab in the middle of those. I bought this tractor mainly to take over for mowing. If I end up liking how this tractor mows, it'll probably most likely take place of the John Deere 214 that I usually use now. Reason being, it's a hydrostatic, power steering. The turning radius is a lot tighter than the John Deere, so I think it'll just be a lot more enjoyable to mow with. I also got a triple bagger to go along with this, which will help me around here for leaf collection and stuff too. Overall, it's in pretty nice original condition. It does have a few things here and there that I need to look at and fix. Overall, it needs a tune-up. The owner that I bought it off of said that it had been serviced recently. I don't really think that was the case. The spark plugs are very old, the air filter is very old, so things like that I'm going to have to look at and replace. I did change the oil and filter on it today, and sometime in the next few days I'm going to look at the hydro fluid and see the condition of that, if it needs replaced also. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so there she is. I think if I just get some more maintenance done on it, I think it'll be a pretty good tractor. Thanks for watching.